All right, number 5, we want to decide whether the equation describes a function. Okay, so we hadn't really talked a lot about what a function is with an equation. Okay, so here's going to be just a general rule that I'm going to give you to follow. So if we have like a standard looking equation, we got y equals, something over here, some numbers or some variables, okay? We're going to call that a function, okay, as long as we don't see anything weird. Okay, now, if, for example, I see an equation that's not in the y equals form, so let's say I had like x equals maybe like a y squared plus 3. So this is out of order. This is not what we're used to seeing. We're going to say that this is not a function. Okay, but anything else that we see, just regular y squared. So I mean, if I got a y equals, and it could be like square root of x plus 6. Okay, we're going to call that a function. If I were to have y equals x squared plus 3 divided by x plus 2, we're still going to call that a function. So everything that we see in y equals format, we're going to call it a function. If I see something weird, okay, that's not in y equal, we're going to call it not a function. That's going to be our general rule for now. So with this equation, we got y minus 4x equals 6. Now, even though it's a little out of order, if I were to just add that 4x over there, okay, this could still describe a function. This one would not be the same. Even if I move the 3, I would have a y squared. It's not just a y equals. So we're going to say yes, this does describe a function. Okay. And that's going to just be our general rule to follow for now. All right, number 6, does this describe a function? Again, we have our y equals something. It's going to be a function. Remember, if I see something weird like x equals or something like that, it's not going to be a function. So y equals -5, we're going to say yes, that does equal a function.